Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's create a beautiful dot mandala mirror in this 8-inch board. I found the center, drew circle and created grids as well. I left the space in between empty because I'm going to fix a mirror here. I'll start dotting only in this space. I'll keep some golden dots now. I'll keep some dots in coral. I'll work the dots in coral. I'll keep some brush strokes in lavender. I'll keep some coral dots. I'll work the dots in coral. I'll keep some brush strokes in lavender. I'll keep some plumpy dots in gold. I'll make these golden dots into swipes. I'll keep some side swipes in coral. I'll stick this mirror in the center once the painting is fully dry. I'm sure this simple dot mandala mirror came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.